Yes. This is Anthony F. from ruandandroid.com. Here we're testing a lesser known widget, but actually will blow your mind once I show you how to use it. Yes, it's called the Meta widget. What it does is it pulls metadata from websites and puts it on your screen as a widget. And you say, what? What does that mean? It means a lot, folks. Basically, you can see your weather, the latest headlines, anything that's updated automatically will be pulled and then pushed to your screen. That's pretty nice. So there is a video demonstration of this, but the one that did it, he didn't really do it for the consumers, the everyday people. He did it for the smarter people. So I'm doing this video for us, the normal people. So that's the widget. The description of it is, as mentioned, it's a unique app that can clip web content and dynamic, interactive widgets. Simply browse to a website, pick a column of text, blurb, image, or element, and enjoy this information right on your home screen. So I haven't had the chance to pick a picture or perhaps a diagram. That's still kind of buggy, but the data portion works. So we're going to go to our screen here. Find an empty screen. All right, we're going to click on this, hit widgets, scroll down to Meta widget, and it doesn't matter which one you pick if you have the option to resize, but we're going to go with 4x2 just to play it safe. All right. So now we're going to go to a website that has updated data that you want to copy and see happen. So we're going to go to Twitter, because Twitter has data that's flying. And funny enough, this is a good way to get around the Twitter cap. Let's try that again. Interesting. Okay, apparently Twitter figured out that people can do this, and they stopped it. Let's try it one more time, see what works. See if we get anything this time. But basically what it's doing is this is not pulling from their API. This is calling it right from the website. The content right there. Technically it's still using it up, and they must have figured that out. Smart cookies. So we're going to go to someplace else. We're going to go to TechMeme. Now I have this on my other phone, and Twitter showed up okay, so I'm curious as to why it didn't work this time. But TechMeme worked each and every time. This took me a while to figure it out. So once the web page come up, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so here we have TechMeme, the mobile version, and they say the mobile version is the best version to pull data from. On the top right, you see here got that little phone icon. You can click that, and you can choose what version of website you want to pull from. So we'll stay with the Android version. Okay. So now that we have the website that we want, on the bottom left, we hit this square. So now the app is going to check out the website and see what it can grab. Alright, try clicking on different elements of the page to select them. So, what I was thinking, and what most people at first sight look at this and say, well, this is confusing because I don't want to click on something and get the same information. But what this area actually does, what this app actually does is that it saves the information from the area, not from the specific data. So we see that the top post here is Philip Elmer DeWitt Fortune, after meeting with Apple execs, analysts expects no television solution anytime soon. That is the top area of this web page. So if we click on that, it won't just save these letters, these numbers. It'll save whatever is in that top area. And that's what we want. So down at the bottom, you can maneuver and navigate through with the arrows left and right, up and down to what data you want. We want just the title, because the title gives us the needed information. So we're going to hit this plus sign right here, and then it shows everything else just to make sure we want to, verify this is what we want. So we click the top one, because that's what we want. We want the top of techmeme.com. And now we have the other options. So we can title it TechMeme. give me an E. All right. You can change the text size, text color, widget alignment, title alignment. So we want this in the center. So center for vertical, horizontal. Background color is fine. Empty text, whatever. Title click action. So we want it to update whenever we hit that. And for the content, we want it to open the browser so that when we see content that we want to click on, we'll click on it and go right to it. So the paid version gives the update interval also. So you can update this however you want it to. You can make it check every 5 minutes, every 6 minutes, every 10 minutes, like that. This is an advanced URL, CSS path. That's what it's grabbing, basically CSS. But we're okay with what we got. We press OK. 4x2 is fine. And there it is. Tech meme up here, that right there. I really wanted to test the Twitter because the Twitter data moves a little bit more. So you click on tech meme, you see the update. Tech meme doesn't really update that fast. So let's try Twitter one more time because that's really the perfect example for this widget. So we can go about 4x2 again. I'm going to try Twitter one more time. See if Twitter plays nice this time because we really need it to work to fully see what it does. Okay, I think I see the issue here. Let me see. I think it's because it's for It seems like when you go to HTTPS sites that are secure, this app kind of conks out on you. I think that's what happened because it doesn't really work for sites like AdSense. I mean, you would naturally want this to replace your analytics and AdSense app. That makes sense, right? But for some reason, the Google website makes it blank, kind of like this when you come there. So let's see if I can get this S out and see if that works. Nope. So let's see if I can make it go to desktop, and if that kicks it, all right, it worked. Okay. So that worked when you did it that way. So we want to sign in. See if it remembers me. It does not remember me. Great. So we're going to sign in here. See if we can. Get that out the way. Now let's see. Let's try a password. See if I can type in my password without you knowing my password. Nope. Bad idea. Okay. Let me see if I can do that without you seeing my password. No, there's no way to do that. Awesome. It's supposed to remember me. I thought I fixed that. Oh well. Yeah, not gonna happen. Okay, sorry folks. So we can't see the real-time connection here of this, but we do see the app is right there. You hit the title, it updates the top selection. So it won't keep just showing this, which is what I thought it would do. It actually shows whatever's in that top space. Once you see something that you want, you just click on it like that, and it goes right to the website. You can't beat that, folks. That's pretty cool. I've been asking developers for a tech meme app for years. They don't have to ask. It's right in front of my face. So this is Anthony F. testing out the Meta widget. It's really cool. Download it. Try it out. If you like it, buy it. $2. Anthony F. ArionAndroid.com. Bye-bye.